Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to step back into the 1950s golden age of Hollywood with this elegant and classy outfits inspo in DTI. So if you want to know the step-by-step outfit styling with the vintage flair, you can just watch this video. Now let's just get started to make this look. So first in here, I'm using this hair for the look. This curly hair combined with the short wavy hair. And now let's just make the outfit. So I'm going to start by going to this women's section and put on this dress. Here to glitz into skirt number 2, and I'm going to use this polka patterns for the first color, and for the second one I'm going to use this color in here. And now you can put on this top. So for the top, I'm going to use this one and use the same color like the ruffle on the skirt and make the material light silk. And then I'm going to use these heels in here, change all the color into black, and let's put on some accessories. So I'm going to use this hat, change the first color like the top, and for the ribbon I'm going to use this blue color in here. And let's put on these earrings combined with this necklace to glitz into number 2 and change the gems color into blue like this. I'm going to grab this purse, change the color to blue color right here, and that's it. So this will be the final look of 1950s in DTI. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.